All right, so today we're doing binomial products, and with binomial products, we are going to expand two brackets. And this is going to be a bit of a challenge for you. So it's a single bracket and the bracket with a variable that's outside the bracket itself. So previously, this is what we've done. So I'm just going to put an example of what we've done previously. And then I'm going to go into expand into brackets together. And you're going to all right, so example of what we've done before is when we had, let's say, 2 in x plus, and we had to expand this out, okay? So the way we expand this out is we multiply outside the bracket with the numbers inside the bracket, or the letters, or the variables. So in this case, it's going to be 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 1 is 2. So that's how you normally expand a bracket out when you have a variable or a number that's outside the bracket. Today, we're going to two brackets next to each other. Okay, so the way that works is let's do an example. So that was example. X plus 2 and x plus 3. So we're going to expand these two brackets. The way we is all right. So the way we do these two brackets when we expand it out, we get the first in the first bracket, and I'm going to use a different colored pencil. Hopefully you guys can see that. You're going to times the first variable in the second bracket, and then you times the first variable with the second variable in the second bracket. That's our first step. Okay? Then you plug the second variable with the first variable in the second bracket, and you do the second variable in the first bracket, the second variable in the bracket. Let's rephrase this again. All right, let's rephrase this. So we've got x times x is going to be x squared. Yeah.
X squared.
And then you got x times 3 is going to be plus 3x. 2 times x is going to be 2x, so that's plus 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. All right, now we need to add the like terms. So the only like terms, 3x plus 2x is 5x. All right. So let's do another example, guys. So we've got a plus 5 in brackets and a. We multiply the bracket and the first variable with the second variable in the second bracket. So let's do that first, and then I'm going to come to the second step. So we've got a times a is negative. Okay, now let's go use the second variable in the. So that's going to be 5 times a and 5 times negative 3. All right. A is, remember the positive, 5 times negative 3, negative 15. Okay, so now there is like terms in this equation that or subtract the like terms. So the only like terms we have is the a, -3 and plus 5a is the only like term we have here. So our answer is going to be a squared, that stays as it is. Then we've got -3 plus 5a is going to be positive 2a. And then we got -15, we leave that as it is. And that's going to be our answer.